Am I the only one that didn't know the Chesapeake Bay is a fruit paradise? Let's uncover some delicious secrets together. First up, we've got the American persimmon. These beauties turn a fiery orange in the fall, and let me tell you, they're sweet as honey. Native folks have been enjoying these gems for centuries, and they play a huge role in our local forests. Persimmon power. Next on our fruity tour, the pawpaw. Ever tasted a fruit that's like a mango-banana hybrid? Well, that's the pawpaw for you. Found along riverbanks, this unique fruit feeds both people and wildlife. Indigenous communities have long cherished pawpaws, and they're a key part of our riparian ecosystem. Pawpaw paradise. Last but not least, the sour cherry. These vibrant red jewels are tart and tangy, perfect for pies and jams. Sour cherries thrive in our orchards and provide a vital food source for birds and critters. Plus, they've got deep roots in our agricultural history. Cherry cheer. These fruit trees aren't just tasty treats. They're crucial for the health of the Chesapeake Bay. From feeding wildlife to supporting our ecosystems, they're truly treasures. So, next time you're out exploring, keep an eye out for these fruity gems. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more River Realm life adventures. Happy gardening, y'all.